Hi there, so good to see you. This week's video is long overdue. Thank you for granting me the grace and the space to take a couple of weeks off, to do a little to take care of myself, to not overdo it, overextend. Sometimes we need to just back away from what it is that we do, get off of that hamster wheel, step back a little bit, and just practice some self-care. And I thought the most obvious video to do upon my return would be a self-care giveaway. If you've been following me on Instagram, you know, and Facebook, I've been posting about this journey of just needing to take some time, and I've been encouraging you to do the very same thing. Whether you've needed it or not, sometimes I think that message resonates, and I think it's always good to hear from other women that, hey, it's okay to just sort of step back, to not feel like you've got to keep doing what it is that you've been doing. It's okay to say no. It's okay to hit the pause button or whatever you want to call it and step back and take care of yourself and just breathe a little bit. So I wanted to gather some things that I think could help you in that process of self-care, of dialing it back. And I'm going to start with some skincare and things that I enjoy doing when I'm taking care of myself. You know, if I get stressed or I'm not getting enough sleep, it shows up on my face. I get puffy. I feel like, you know, I've aged 10 years in one night. It's like, what the heck, really? Does it have to be that way? But there are remedies for that. So the first item that I want to talk about is by Fraîcheur Paris, and this is really cool. So let me open it up and break out the readers so I can describe what's going on in here. These are facial ice globes, and they look like so. Now you can refrigerate or freeze these, whatever you prefer. They get nice and cold. It really helps to increase blood supply, to help oxygenate the skin. You can take your favorite facial oil. When these suckers are nice and cold, it feels amazing in the morning, and you just take both of them, you go in an upward motion, and you give yourself a nice facial massage with these things. I love to do it in the morning when I'm feeling puffy and I'm not liking the way things look. So grab your globes and take care of business. So that's the start. And the next one ties into this basic line of depuffing and using tools to be able to do facial massage, face yoga. You know, all of these things have become really prevalent in the beauty industry, and there's a reason for it. You know, blood flow and circulation, that's everything. And so when you take tools like this is a rose quartz self-care kit by Skin Ico, and it's a sculpting, tightening, and lifting kit. And let me just show you what's going on in here, because let me tell you, there's a lot of stuff. Okay, so take a look at all of these tools that you will have at the ready. I will walk you through super quick. This is your main tool right here. It's a duo roller, magic in rose quartz, and this helps with lymphatic drainage and blood circulation. You can then put on all of these different attachments. You've got a derma roller, you've got a lift bar, you have a rose quartz roller that's textured, you have the rose quartz geisha, and then you have these two cuppings for blood circulation to help reduce puffiness and to create a facelift. You know, this little one you can target right there under the eye area, which is what I do. But again, all of these wonderful things work with your face creams, facial oils, whatever it is that you prefer. Again, I like to store mine in the refrigerator so it's nice and cold in the morning. I just get that circulation going, and I find it to be so helpful for the skin. It helps the product to absorb better. So that's waking you up in the morning. That's like saying, hello sunshine, I'm here and I'm ready to face the day, and I'm no longer puffy. Moving on, another product by Fraîcheur is this Cryogenic Firming Peel Off Mask. This is a large tub, and you get to play chef in your kitchen with this thing, because you do a mixture in the bowl. You mix this powder and water, you stir it vigorously, you make it into a paste, and then you apply the paste onto your face, leave on for 15 minutes, and then you just basically take it and you peel the whole thing off. It firms, it's cooling, it causes the constriction of the blood vessels, it helps to improve blood circulation and tissue nutrition, and it has a wonderful cooling effect, and it has vitamins and minerals in it. So I really hope that you kind of set aside a day. You know, this sounds like a really good Sunday thing. Maybe after church, you come home and, you know, peel off the makeup and do all these things to take care of yourself. One thing that I do want to send your way, this was actually sent to me, but I have so many different teeth whitening apparatus that I use, apparati, that I didn't need these, but the company is Smile Brilliant, and they sent me this package, and I haven't touched anything inside, but you can take advantage of this, and it's got these custom trays that you use, and you make your own essential mouth guard for the teeth whitening product. And then they've got this envelope to be able to submit it and send it in. So if you want super white teeth and you've always been interested in the Smile Brilliant line, I'm going to include this for you just because I have so much stuff and I don't really need it, but maybe you do, and you might want to enjoy that. Let's carry on to some products now. A line that I really enjoy and I featured here multiple times on this channel is Alchemy Forever. And this is the firming gel for neck and bust. Boy, you guys asked me so much about the neck area and I just hit my microphone, the neck area and the chest area. This is a great product for that. It is cruelty-free and vegan, clinically proven results, tightens, lifts, and firms, even skin tone, anti-aging benefits. So that's for the neck and the chest. And then I'm going to add this Alchemy Forever Cantic Brightening Moisture Mask. And this one immediately brightens the skin, nourishes, soothes, and calms irritation, reduces redness, anti-aging benefits. I love to have something like this in the mix because, as you know, I've been encouraging you to use retinoids and glycolic acid to help with the cell turnover, to help with the lines and the wrinkles. And sometimes our skin can get a little bit irritated. So using something that helps to calm, bring down that irritation, maybe you've got to step back, go every other day, whatnot. This is a nice addition to that. So this will help calm the skin if you have any irritation that's happening from either sun exposure from the summer or using your acids for anti-aging properties. The next product that I'm going to include in this giveaway is by Ahava, and this is Time to Clear. It's an all-in-one toning cleanser, and it's a pampering cleanser and toning milk for the face and eye area. You just wipe with a cotton pad, no need to rinse, and it's allergy tested, paraben free, SLS and SLES free, so it's a clean product. And then also I will include with this one the Ahava mineral foot cream as well, because we can't leave the tootsies out, right? Feet have to be soft and silky, and sometimes at night it's so good to put a foot cream on your feet and then slide on a pair of socks, and then you pull them off in the morning and it's like, oh my God, I got the feet of like a 1-year-old. How did that happen? Yeah, cream and socks. Amazing how that works. Next on my list is a product for also the chest area, but this is really a cool concept, and I don't know if you've seen this, but it's by Sleep and Glow. It's by Sleep and Glow. Maybe you can see better this way. It's an anti-aging pillow bra, and it protects against cleavage wrinkles. What a smart concept, because you know, you lay on your side and the boobs get mashed together, and then you wake up in the morning and you got the lines that are going like this. It's like, really? I just went to sleep and I woke up with lines. And so this pillow, as you can see in the picture here, prevents that from happening. And it looks like so, and it fits right down the middle of your chest, and you just kind of strap it on, and it's super soft and comfy. So I thought, oh, that's so cool, and my ladies might like that. The next thing is so funny. It's by Lisa Keeney in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Her company is called Natural Life. And on the box it says, "A wise girl once said, let that shit go, and she lived happily ever after." So, you know, sometimes you just have to let that go. And in this box is an assortment of things. So it's called the happy box, and it's got an air freshener, a cozy sleeve, a wall hook, a half boho bandeau, a chirp clip, and a sticker. So all kinds of things that say the same thing. And it's just, you know, it's funny and it's cute. And here's the hair bandeau, and here's the little wall hook and a sticker. And if y'all don't mind, I really could use the air freshener. So if it's okay with you, I'm just gonna lift the air freshener out of that and keep it for myself. So that way you can kind of laugh and you know that I've got one of these that says the very same thing. And I'm gonna send you the box from Natural Life, and I think you'll get a kick out of that. And it will just remind you that no matter what is going on in your life, you just have to let that go, okay? Just let it go. Let it go. Next is a cute little journal that says Defy Impossible. And I really, really like this because I think it gets your headspace in the right place. And every page says how I will defy impossible today. And it could be one little thing that you think about. It could be one little achievement, one little hurdle that you've jumped over. It could be anything, big, small, whatever, one little thing. How did you defy impossible today? Whatever that looks like for you. And I think things like this are really important because they paint a picture of where we are in our lives. And so once you complete this, and you can, you know, do it for a month, you could do it once a week, whatever it may be, but it will be a wonderful reflection for you to see your accomplishments, to feel empowered, to realize that you can defy impossible. These are positive affirmations. We all need those. And so this sweet little book I thought would be just great for you to have to defy impossible. Okay, so next on my list, while you're doing all of this self-care, I want you to feel luxurious in the moment. And so I am adding to this giveaway this magnificent silk robe by Soma Intimates, and it is full length, colorful, silky, amazing, fabulous. I love these colors, and I just think that you will feel beautiful wearing something like this while you're taking care of yourself. So of course we have to have some type of attire involved in all of this. Hello, it wouldn't be me if it didn't have something to wear. So that almost wraps up everything, except there's something very special. Have you ever met somebody and you felt like you were old souls that have known each other for a very long time? Well, recently I was at a birthday party and I met a woman, and the two of us connected instantaneously. We are both artistic. We are both very creative. We're both only children, very similar childhood experiences, very similar temperaments and personalities. And she is a woman of faith, as am I. And I just absolutely fell in love with her. She's one of my new best friends. Her name is Celeste. And she paints, and she's also a photographer. And one thing that she does is she creates these Jesus cards. And this is her painting, her interpretation of Jesus. And on the back, she writes, "The light of God surrounds you. The love of God enfolds you. The power of God protects you. The presence of God watches over you. Wherever you are, God is." And then it has her website, celestetheartist.com. And I encourage you to go take a look at her work because it is spectacular. And she's an amazing soul. And I wanted to include her Jesus card in the giveaway here because I think sometimes we need to hear those words and remind ourselves that God is watching over us always. So there we go. That's a lot of stuff. That's a lot of good self-care, if I do say so myself. I'm excited for you. Okay, this giveaway is going to operate just a little bit differently than giveaways in the past. It's going to happen on my Instagram account. If you don't follow me on Instagram, or if you don't have an Instagram account, please go get one. Instagram is my jam. It's my favorite social media spot. I love it. I get to follow friends. I get to follow, famous people that I like. What you do is you go to Instagram. You will look for me. I'm at Dominique Sachse. That's my page. When you get there, you will look for this image, okay? This is going to be the post for this video. I want you to go to that post. I want you to like it. You can either just hit the heart or you can double tap it to like it. In the comment section, you can write, hey, I've entered, my fingers are crossed, wish me luck. And then if you share this post on your story, well, that's an extra added way to be able to win. It's like throwing in an extra point, we'll call it that way, right? So share me and tag your friends and spread the love. And what I will do is I will open this giveaway for a week, and then I will announce the winner on Instagram on Thursday, the 23rd. I usually do it like at noon, so about an hour before the next video will publish. I hope that all of these resonate with you. I hope that something touched you in a way where you said, yes, I want to go and I want to be a part of this and I want to enter. And this is always my opportunity to thank you for your presence in my life, to thank you for what you give to me. This is my gift to you, but it doesn't come anywhere close to what it is that you give me in terms of love, affection, affirmation, direction. You are just the most amazing audience, truly, ever. I don't think of you as an audience, I think of you as friends, because I feel as if we all know each other and we're so helpful for one another. It's my way of saying thanks for giving me a couple of weeks off to take a deep breath and relax a little bit myself. So I wish you luck. Remember, head over to Instagram, find the image, like it, comment, tag your friends, share it on your story. You will be good to go. My fingers are crossed. Be bold and be blessed. And yes, I will see you next Thursday at 1 o'clock. Bye.